Well, good day everybody.
Good evening.
Welcome to a new Freaky Friday video. We are here in Margate, Kent. As you see just behind us, we are here at Dreamland theme park to experience the Screamland horror event. So it's got loads of scare mazes. It's also got a Woman in Black house, which is a movie that was started in 2012.
That's going to be really interesting.
It's going to be really cool. So we're going to show you everything what to expect. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this. If you do, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and let's go in. So yeah, this is going on from the 18th to the 1st of November. So 18th of October to the 1st of November. If you guys want to check out, we'll leave a link in the description box below so you guys can check out all the details you need. Are you ready for this?
Is it the Woman in Black then?
That's the Woman in Black, yeah. They actually collaborated or working with Hammer Films, who are the people who are the production company who made the Woman in Black.
I'm really excited about it.
Yeah. So some information for you. It's £27 for a standard ticket, £42 for fast show, which gets you to miss all of the queues and stuff, and then £15.50 only for the rides only, which is pretty awesome. Time to enter this beautiful place. First time for me. You've been here before, haven't you? Oh.
Hold on.
Don't look at them. Don't look at them.
Don't give them.
Don't look at them. No, don't look at them. No. We'll leave it. We'll leave you to it.
So we're just here trying to hang out with Sam for God. And we've got a few friends.
Yep.
How are you in terms of mazes?
We're not bad.
Yeah?
Not bad. We like a good scare.
Okay, yeah.
We're
I've always felt confident about these things, but I feel like this is going to be different. I feel
You're
like
going to be absolutely fine.
We're gonna go for it. We're gonna do
It's
well.
going to be frighteningly good.
I like what you did.
I'm here all night.
We'll see you later. We're getting followed. This just reminds me of old school theme park, UK theme parks on the seaside. It's awesome.
There you go.
And look what they've done. Normally it says Dreamland, but it says Screamland. Liking it a lot. Love it. But yeah, they got like a fish and chips, they got pizza, they got coffee, they've got a bar here. Got the full shebang you need. You know what I mean? Oh, it's really dark in here.
Right! Move on! Move it, ladies! Up against the wall! Up against the wall! You will call me sir. What will you call me?
Sir!
Yes, sir! You have been called here today for Operation Lockdown. To get in there are 6 test subjects, and they are currently destroying the whole facility. You are the ones that will go in there and lure them out. Is that clear?
Yes, sir!
Right! Pull out! Go! Go! Go!
No, do it! No. Turn back! No!
Tell them to turn back.
We got it. Oh! I can't see a thing. I mean, it's just dark. Whoa!
Stop it.
Oh! Oh my word! Oh man! Whoa! Whoa! He just touched me. Ah! Whoa! Oh my God! Oh! Oh wow! Ah! Whoa! Whoa!
Stay there! Okay! Stay where you are! Okay!
Oh! Go! Ah! Woohoo! I may have ran into a wall. I'm fine. That was really good.
Can't screaming like that in the first one.
Wow! What a dog. Okay, so next house we are going into is the Brotherhood.
The Brotherhood.
The next one is, you can't see it on the camera, but it says Brotherhood.
Apparently are going to get hooded. You're going to get a hood on you.
Well.
Bye! Oh, okay. Oh, we're on our own. It smells like this. I don't. Oh, I don't like this!
I'm writing.
Coming.
What, through the hole? I'm coming round.
Coming.
I don't know where you are. It's so dark in here.
Come along.
Okay.
Come along. Come right in. And welcome.
Oh, wow.
I haven't seen so many customers since Michaelmas last year. Put these hoods on over you. They're applied with holy water and my herbs.
Oh, lovely. Okay.
Put the hoods over.
Okay. Put the hoods on. All right.
Come with me. Come with me.
Oh, God. Oh, have you got me, Dave?
You will need to put the devil's left hand onto the rope.
Okay. Okay. All right. Oh, what are you doing? Oh, God. Oh, okay. Where's the rope? Bend down. Oh my God.
Bend down.
Bend down. And hold the rope. Oh my life. Oh, okay. Oh. Okay. Oh. What are you doing? I'm so confused. Oh, stop it. Oh, no, it's on my leg. It's on my leg. Oh, what are you doing? Oh, that sounds nasty. Oh, God, am I going to have to get down again?
No,
No, okay. Oh, no, we're okay. I bet there's like 10 of them having a laugh at us right now. Oh! I just walked into a wall!
Almost there.
Keep going.
Keep going.
We're almost there.
Oh, well, you can take them off.
Oh, thank goodness.
That black man's taking the work here.
Oh,
Well,
wow.
hurry up with them little boils like him. And boils like me.
Oh, okay.
How are you?
Oh, fabulous.
Oh, wow.
Bring out your dead.
Oh, my God.
Oh, I suppose you two had the biggest graveyard.
Oh.
Don't do that.
No, oh, no. Where am I meant to go? No, I'm not going.
You dare.
Okay.
Don't shoot.
Oh, okay. You're moving.
Wow, that was freaky. We couldn't. I don't know how much you recorded, but the fact of the matter is they were touching legs. I got sneezed on.
Many times. I'm sorry if you guys got sneezed on as well.
So we're gonna go on Submerged now. So let's go on to that one.
She's going down! There's nothing I can do about it. The boats are all leaving. Quickly now! Save yourself! It's too late for me! You're gonna have to fight your way through to find the boats!
Bye, Dave! Going back in one of these. Oh my God!
Going in! I'm going in! Oh, it's quite tight. I'm trying. I'm giving it. Oh, she's got Captain. Oh my God. Oh my word. Oh, that's the tunnel.
They trapped me in here.
Oh!
Who would like a small sherry? Who wants some more sherry? Right up. Are you in take it? Hey, that way. You don't know
way?
you're in yet. Who wants some more in the morning?
Oh, I gotta get my knees.
Get out of here.
Oh.
You're not welcome here.
Oh my God.
I said out.
Oh, leaving. Oh, this looks lovely.
I told you, there ain't no way out. We'll see for yourselves. No way out.
No way out, Dave.
No way, we're stuck.
Look at me, we're stuck.
We're submerged.
Don't leave me here and drown again! I beg you, please!
Not like it. Oh!
Here, this is the maid's quarters. It's forbidden.
Oh! Oh!
Oh, what the hell? You broken heart!
So with regards to the Submerged, I'd probably say it wasn't the strongest house compared to the other two. Because it was like, there wasn't as many scares, it was more like you go into a scene and you go through a long corridor.
It was very like dramatic, atmospheric.
Yeah.
There was no real
scares, yeah.
So
it was good though. Really
but there was a very, very tight, enclosed space that you had to.
Yeah, I got me recording that going, ah!
I think I found our comfort food right now, and it's the pickled and grilled cheese. Oh, hello. Is this Papa? Oh, God. There we go. Here's the kimchi.
That's a classic
Oh,
cheese. Toasty.
always. Oh gosh. Oh, I bet it's nice and warm as well. Oh, it is as well. It's nice and warm.
So this is the Cafe Terra, which is a dining experience you guys have.
Yes.
Which is like extra. You have to pay for this extra.
Yeah,
but
you've got 4 courses for $27.50.
as you can see, they get their food fresh from the source.
Are you okay there?
He's happy. I think he's happy.
I think he's hungry. He's a little bit empty.
Yeah, empty stomach. He's having the time of his life. They got all the equipment though, they got all the medical stuff. But yeah, this is the actual dining experience, people enjoying their food. And this is what you get to do when you pay $27.50 for your meal, which is pretty awesome.
People are drinking
Sick bags! Lovely. The next one we're going to is Hammer House of Horror.
What are you doing wandering around Bray Studios at such an hour? Do you know what time it is?
Don't know.
No, well it's late, that's what it is.
Oh, okay.
Right, famous film producer, he's filming his famous film right here.
Ooh.
And obviously I can't tell you who it is. Hammer Films, yes! The Masters of Horror are back and filming their famous film here, The House of Horror. Now, obviously I can't tell you what it's about, but all I can say is that I've seen some rather famous monsters lurking around. The director's headed this way. If he finds you here, he'll have my head.
Oh dear.
Quick,
Okay.
through this door. Waiting here until told otherwise.
Okay.
Quick, come on.
Going in.
Right, stay together, stay safe, and stay quiet. I'll be back soon.
Okay.
He left us.
In a room.
He left us.
As you found your way into the set of my new movie, it sure to be okay. I have collected the world's most infamous monsters and merged them together to create the ultimate horror flick. Action.
Whoa! What is wrong with this? No! 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 Oh! God!
What is this? Phantom of the Opera.
Phantom of the... Oh! 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 God, that scared me. Oh!
We're going into the abominable
Oh man! Don't! No! House of Horror.
House of Horror.
This stinks.
What kind of a joke do you think you were playing at? Who gave Sophie the knife as a present?
Oh,
Was it you?
No,
Did
no.
you give it to her?
No, it was just a small present.
Right, get out.
Get going. Okay.
I don't know where we are now.
Oh! No! Ow, face. Oh look, it's Daniel Radcliffe.
Daniel Radcliffe will save us!
Oh! Don't you dare! Daniel, where are you? Where are you, Daniel?
Oh, jeez, that freaked me out.
Why? Oh! Oh! Carnival, the Fall of Festino. Festino? Whoa!
You have come to seek the wisdom of Rosella. To know the secrets of your future, you must ring the bell. Beware of men who make false promises.
Yeah.
Do not be fooled by those with painted smiles. You never know what lies within. find the answers that you seek.
Wow. Get going. Now. Welcome to the carnival. Don't you play a game.
Play a game? Oh my gosh, okay. Where am I? Oh, okay.
Okay.
Next time.
How could you miss that one?
I'm really bad. Why did you get so
Oh!
What are you looking at? Why don't you throw a dart? If you throw a dart, you win a prize, and you might use your freedom.
Hey!
You're right. You
No,
will be.
a little bit.
Just a little bit.
Uh-oh.
I think you are.
Oh, no, 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 no,
Okay, you.
no, no. So good. I actually quite like that one. What we got here?
Popcorn. Lots of tasty popcorn. We have got roaches.
Candy floss.
Yeah, this is candy floss with extra protein. Protein candy floss. This is the thing. The thing.
Yeah, of course, yeah.
All the range. And we've got protein popcorn, protein sodas, and the protein is nuts.
Lovely.
Every critters.
Right, ladies and gents, that is our time here at Dreamland Margate or Screamland Margate for the Halloween event. How did you find it?
I think that this is the best UK Scream Park event thing, whatever you want to call it, that I've been to so far.
Yeah.
Those scare zones were like fantastic this year.
Yeah, really, really good. Like,
Yeah.
favourite one for me would be the sleep experiment, and then it would probably go to the House of Horrors.
Yeah.
Which was basically a mixture of all Hammer Films movies that they've done, from like the Woman in Black to Frankenstein, The Mummy, Dracula, but these are like the old versions, so not the recent
Yeah.
ones. They're like sort of like from the 1970s and 1950s.
Incredible.
Yes.
So guys, if you are in the area and you want to go and visit it, seriously, go and visit it.
Yeah. We'll leave a link in the description. It starts on the 18th of October to the 1st of November, but it's on
Yeah.
selected nights. So it's not every day, it's on selected nights. We showed you the prices, but all the prices will be in the link in the description. A massive shout out to Dreamland Margate for sending us for.
Yeah, thank you so
offering us up.
much.
We had a fantastic time.
We will be returning. This is your first time here as
And
well,
I
and
will be
I'm so
returning.
glad that you've been able to experience it.
With that being said, folks, if you like the video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe, share the videos as well if you are massive horror fans, if you've got friends of horror fans. Let us know in the comment section if you guys have been to Margate or are looking to go in there, come here in the future. So with that being said, guys, we'll see you on the next vlog.
Good night, guys.
Good.
See you on, when's our next vlog? Tuesday.
Tuesday. We'll see
Yeah,
you for another
see you
Disney Run
then.
Tuesday. Bye.